a big boundary out there, and this has landed perfectly in the gap between long on and a wonderful knock in just the few balls that he's faced. A 92-meter 6 over extra cover. Started the over with a big hit over mid-wicket, then a 2. Now a great 6 over extra cover.
It's that sort of format, isn't it? Bowler's trying to do something, and he knows that he's got to get it wide of off stump for a right-hander with this small boundary. The old lady stand out there. This new law that's been brought in. It's a cracker too. Teams in the past, oh yeah, we'll pay the fine, we don't care. It's much better, either fining with them in terms of runs, docking them, or docking overs, but this is in the modern era. A little bit of room, uppercut, fetch this, gentlemen. Oh yes. 3 4s, 3 6s. Oh, delightful.
You can see that drizzle coming down, and when that seam gets wet, it is very difficult to go Yorkers and slow a ball.
To make an impact given any situation, and he started well here.